with the way, and I'm gonna teach you one, but it is a different move. So first you go up, and then you cross to the other side, just like this. And I'm gonna show that side. That's this side. Okay? So now Mom's gonna do bow and arrows up. Don't forget to subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos.